Welcome to the messy kitchen with your host Miss G. Welcome to the messy kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the messy kitchen.
Warning, warning, warning.
Welcome to Messy Kitchen. I'm your host, Miss G. Today we're going to be cooking lentil vegetable pie. It's delicious and it's a perfect dinner option during these cold winter months. So, let's get cooking. Away! Lentils are an edible legume. Delicious. Lentils are the oldest pulse crop known to man and were the earliest domesticated crop. Carbonized remains of lentils that date back to 10,000 BC were found in Greece in Franchthi cave. These are the oldest remains found.
Miss G say what?
Lentil artifacts have been found on archaeological digs on the banks of Euphrates River that date back to 8000 BC. This gives us evidence that Egyptians, Romans and Hebrews ate lentils. Wow. In the 18th century, King Louis XV's wife, Marie Latrinska, made lentils fashionable among royalty. What? It's true, she did. They were soon nicknamed the Queen's lentils. I have to say, the only thing I want at this banquet is lentils. You know, the Queen's lentils. This is an urban myth. Yeah, there's an urban myth about celery. It's believed that it has 0 calories, that it takes more calories to eat it than what it actually has. This isn't true. It actually does. There's no doubt that it's an extremely healthy vegetable, but it does. have calories. For many centuries, lentils were known as the poor man's meat. In Catholic countries, those that couldn't afford to buy fish ate lentils instead during Lent.
Wow.
Celery was known as a vegetable of love. It's true. The Romans believed that celery was a symbol of love and dedicated the vegetable to the god Pluto. Winners of athletic events in ancient Greece were rewarded bunches of celery instead of flowers. What? It's believed that ancient Egyptians used wild celery as part of their ceremonies. Woven garlands of celery were found in their tombs. Although celery was used for thousands of years, at first during the Middle Ages, it was used as a medicine to help cure insomnia and anxiety.
What?
Lentils are a great source of
folate, fiber, iron, protein, zinc, vitamin B1, vitamin B6, potassium.
God, I better start eating more lentils. Lentils are a great source for heart health, improving our digestive system, fighting off harmful diseases like cancer, weight loss, increasing our energy. That's it for today's episode of Messy Kitchen. Don't be upset, I upload weekly cookery videos where you can cook with me and make delicious food and learn interesting facts about the ingredients. So, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe for more of this.
Welcome to the Messy Kitchen with your host, Miss G. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen, cooking for you and me. Welcome to the Messy Kitchen.